Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Audi A3 rear light. First, let's prepare by gathering the necessary tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, which is often found in your car's toolkit, to help with various clips and fasteners. Depending on your specific Audi A3 model, a 10mm or 13mm socket wrench might also be required to remove a retaining nut. Always have your new replacement bulb ready before you begin. Now, let's get started by accessing the rear light unit. Begin by opening your Audi A3's trunk. Next, you'll need to locate and gently remove the interior access cover or trim panel behind the light assembly. This often involves prying it carefully with your flathead screwdriver. Once exposed, identify the retaining nut or plastic wing nut that secures the light cluster in place and unscrew it. With the retaining nut removed, carefully pull the entire light cluster away from the car body. It's usually held by a couple of locating pegs or rubber grommets, so a gentle wiggle might be needed. Next, disconnect the electrical wiring harness by pressing its small plastic tab and pulling it free. Now, you can access the bulbs by releasing the 4 plastic clips on the bulb holder. To replace a bulb, push it in and twist it 1/4 turn counterclockwise. To finish up, insert your new bulb by pushing it in and twisting it clockwise until it locks. Reattach the bulb holder to the light cluster and securely reconnect the electrical wiring harness. Carefully align the light cluster with its mounting points and push it firmly back into the vehicle body. Tighten the retaining nut you removed earlier, ensuring it's snug but not over-tightened. Finally, replace the interior access cover and test all your rear lights to confirm they are working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.